Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we're going to be doing something different, something new. So if you want to know what all of this is about, just stick around. Action fun and back to Lock 19 with Marta. You remember that meetup that I went to that Melissa organized from Makeup Mayhem? Well, I got some really good advice on a vase. I wanted to buy a vase and I didn't know which one to buy, so Laura from Shake Up Makeup helped me decide. And then Melissa said, "Where's the vase you bought?" Because I didn't show it in the video. So I figured, okay, I'm gonna show it now. And since I'm going to show it now, I figured, well, why don't I do a little tiny tour of my house? Not a big tour, because I got a small house, so it's going to be a tiny tour. So, here's the vase. A beautiful vase. I love it because of all of the colors, and it matches all the shiny, bright colors that I have. And you see over here, I have some more glass, because I just love glass. Okay. And my famous cushions that everybody likes, instead of putting them outside, I decided to just put them inside because I love them, and I probably am gonna go get some more. I'm going to be decluttering this section. This is my favorite section because I've got a lot of pretty memories here and things that are important to me, but it's a little cluttered, so I am going to be decluttering it. I have some books that are very important to me. I have books that are very old and they have a sentimental value. And I have my book too. Let me show you my book. Okay, there's my book. That's a poetry book that I wrote a long time ago. And now let me show you what I have over here. I have like a little chest with different gifts and things that I've received. And, you know I have a lot of things, but there are things that I like that make me happy when I look at them. But what I think I'm going to do is I am going to thin out the little knickknacks, put them in a box, and then trade them out. After a while, I'll go get some that I have stored and trade them out with the ones that I have here. So let me show you some other things that I have. Okay, that is, can you see me? That's me when I was younger. And that's my son. And then I have another little corner here with some artwork from a friend of mine who's an artist. And this one I did. That's me making believe I am an artist. So I also wanted to show you my house because I want your advice. I want to paint it. So if you can give me some advice, what do you think? What type of colors? I like it to be light and bright. I don't like it dark. So if you want to give me some advice as to what to do with regards to paint, I would love it because I can't make up my mind. So that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, but more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.